The 2019 Investing with Impact Summit is the UK's only event focusing specifically on impact investing for pension funds. We created the event to help shape the response of the investment sector to the huge potential impact investing has, to both deliver on investment returns and to help meet the challenges that we see all around us, both environmental and social. We developed this event with Pensions for Purpose to help provide a genuine insight into the future of impact investing.
I was overwhelmed by the level of engagement in the room on the day last year. It was electric. I got the impression that there was a real appetite to learn more and a desire to reconnect with what their investment capital was doing, to give it some purpose.
My main takeaway from the 2018 event was the size of the audience, the level of demand for information about impact investing and how engaged the audience were. I haven't had so many tricky and insightful questions before on a panel.
I think it was the dedicated focus, both from an impact perspective and with the pension funds. And so it was an event that was packed full of relevant investors, but also experts from across the impact investing field, which I think was really important to us.
People seem to really understand that you could do impact investing and actually get returns. And when we talked about the sort of spectrum of impact investing, I could see people actually shifting their mindset during the conference.
Attending the Impact for Investing Summit will put you in touch with your peers who are looking at the same issues and the same problems as you are. And I think that's the single most helpful thing that an investor can get from a summit like that. There will be an opportunity to see a range of different products and strategies and approaches and to test those with questions and to see evidence. But I think the most important thing is to spend time with colleagues and peers who are looking at similar issues.
I'm keen to attend the event this year because last year was fantastic. You get such a range of people in a room beyond just the pensions industry, and that is by far and away the most important way to change the way that we invest.
Our incoming saver base expects and wants both transparency and impact from their capital. They will want to understand how many jobs have been created, how many patients have been helped by the capital that's been invested on their behalf. For the pension funds, being able to demonstrate to the incoming investor base where their money is being allocated is an exciting opportunity for them to get greater engagement. And the point that it will be expected of these schemes is very important.
If I can have a better outcome in terms of impact and it's not going to cost me performance, why shouldn't I do that? And in fact, with the evidence now saying that actually I can have a better outcome from an impact perspective and actually also improve my returns, then it's a match made in heaven.
Last year was more of an introduction to impact investment. This year I'm hoping that we can explore in a little bit more detail some of the different types of impact investment.
Last year was a massive success. We were at capacity, so this year we've moved to a larger venue. We're moving on from the why and what to the how of impact investing. We have sessions dealing with all aspects of impact investing, from sourcing opportunities to measuring success and to looking at how pension funds actually can implement an allocation to impact.
So Gresham House is delighted to be sponsoring this event. We do have some really interesting ideas to talk about with the audience. One is vertical farming. There are so many positive impacts from vertical farming, it's difficult to list them all. And we're going to be alongside some other great sponsors as well, who will be able to deliver a varied and interesting agenda for the attendees.
So the Pensions for Purpose event is educational, informative, and I think that can only be useful to someone that's looking to increase their knowledge state about impact investing.
This is a place where you're going to really learn a lot about impact investing, and I think it's innovative and different.
We believe this is the single most useful conference in 2019 for anyone who wants to be part of the future of investing.
So I would say that if you're sitting on the fence, come along, try it and see what you think.
Don't get left behind. Head to the website today and make sure you can attend the 2019 Investing with Impact Summit.